everybody. Now it's time for the haul. What do we buy on the boat? What do we buy in the Coruna? What do we buy in Vigo? We got stuff. So the first thing I'll show you is the Animator's Palette Knife. We see this on our first cruise on the Magic, on the staycation cruises, but you couldn't get them anywhere. And then last year we see it, and when I decided I didn't want it, they sold out. So this year, as soon as we see it, we got it. So I've got my Animator's Palette Knife. Another quick one to badge, because we went to the DCL seminar trying to sell us a timeshare. In fact, they give us a free badge when we see this seminar. Then we've got a Pandora charm that I bought for my lovely wife, who's sitting over there. Bring that a bit closer so you can hopefully see that. That's from the 25 years sailing, but they still had some left, and it was actually cheaper than it was on the 25-year sailing, so that's better. And it's quite pretty, Mickey and Minnie with a 25 cruise logo on it, so that's quite sweet. Right, in Vigo we went to a shop which you might see in the video, and we got this. It's a big octopus which is sort of showing the Jules Verne statue. So we thought that was quite pretty. I liked it and my wife liked it. That comes out of that as well, so we might put that on its own, or we might leave it in that, I'm not sure yet. But we think that's quite pretty. Right, high on my must-buy list was this. Is it a popsicle or a turbos? It's basically a little cup drink. It keeps things hot and it keeps things cold. But I quite like the design of that one. It's nice blue, pops out, nice colours. Now in Vigo we went to the shopping street and I bought this t-shirt. So it's sort of very in keeping with the hat I wore. I'm always wearing a cowboy hat. This one's got cowboy hats and cowboy boots across it. Another hat I got was this one. They sold out on the first or second day, but they had a restock, and I think they sold out again. This one I sort of seen on vlogs that we watched, and I seen Tim Tracker wear this hat, and I thought, you know what, I want one of them. So that's really cool. Now, obviously, it's the plushie time. We see online before we went that one of these had sold out. So when my wife said she wanted them, I said, well, get them both now in case one sells out. But whoops, she pulled out my hand. She has now got Sailing Chip and Dale. Can you tell which one is Chip and which one's Dale? Comment below. Which one's Chip and which one's Dale? Then, as a lastminute.com, I decided I'm going to get a plushie as well. I wasn't going to get one this year, but then I decided I was going to get one. I'm glad I did, because Donald is my favourite anyway, and we got pictures with Donald holding my little plushie. So that's quite cool. I do like Donald. I do like this plushie. I think I like it's better than the Mickey Mouse one I got last time. Right, we bought a couple of pins this time as well, because again, last cruise there was no real pins, so this year I said, right, let's get at least one pin, and I got two. So I got this one here, that's Captain Mickey, and it says Disney Dream on it. Hopefully you can see that. And the other pin is of the infamous funnels. So I quite like both of them. Right, in the Coruna, we did buy an awful lot of things in the Coruna, but we did buy a fridge magnet for us. It was always our thing at the minute. If we could buy some fridge magnets wherever we go, we can adorn our fridge with tons and tons of magnets. But at the minute it's only like 3. Like this mug, or turbos, or popsicle, whatever you want to call it, this is one that Pawnee got. She wanted a silver one. So it's pretty much the same, just different colour. But we quite like them. Like this t-shirt is what Pawnee bought me as a little present. So it's got the funnels on it, and it's in red, which I'm not always a red person, but I do quite like that design with the funnels on it. Yeah, I think that's a really nice t-shirt, that one. I didn't spot this, Pawnee spotted it. How we didn't spot it first, I don't know, but Pawnee spotted it. I said, yes, do you want it? And then we bought it. Right, we bought 2 mugs. So we got Mickey and Donald. Look at that, slightly different colours, and on the back it does say Disney Cruise on the back. And these are what Pauline, she do like a cup of tea in the morning, so she's got some nice new tea mugs. This is the mug that I got, This was a lastminute.com mug because we didn't see this anywhere, and suddenly it was like there was one. If there was two, we would have got two. We'd have had one each, but we've only got one. So it's got like the nautical ropes things going on there. And you've got obviously Mickey that side, and then that side you've got the Disney Cruise line on it as well. So it's quite a nice mug. I like that one. Pauline likes it as well, so we might be having a fight, so who gets to use the mug first. Now, when we went into Vigo, this was one of my most wanted items, a pair of castanets. Castanets. Yes. I keep on getting confused with castanets and maracas. Castanets. So at some point I might be doing a little sing along with me castanets if I can learn how to play them. In La Coruna, there is a lighthouse called the Hercules Tower. We didn't see it because it was too far to walk, but we did see it from the boat, and we've got a little ornament because that's what kind of La Coruna is famous for. What is that lighthouse? I think the lighthouse dates back to something like 2000 AD or 2000 BC. It's a very old lighthouse, probably the oldest lighthouse in Europe, I think, from what I read. Right, this is a t-shirt that Pauline got. I quite like it as well. It's very sort of glitzy, diamondy. There's a Disney Cruise Line logo on it. I think it's quite a nice t-shirt, that one. Nice and blue and nice and nice. Right, this is the other t-shirt that Pauline got. Again, a very glitzy, diamondy like. That is Mickey Mouse, Disney Cruise Line. Which I think it sort of shimmers and sparkles in the sunlight, but we've got sunlight at the minute. Okay, that's it. Pauline got one Loungefly bag. They did have a Disney Dream Loungefly bag. They were gone like that, gone. We put ourselves on the waiting list to see if they had any more back in stock. They never did. But then when we see them, it's like we didn't know if we really wanted it or not anyway. But the one that Pauline did like, because she'd seen us on a vlog when someone was in America, it's this gold one. So it's very sparkly. Right, I got this when we were waiting to see the Beauty and the Beast stage show. This is a popcorn bucket. This popcorn bucket has actually come from Disneyland, California. And chatting to the bloke who was selling popcorn, he said there was only 5 of these in the shop. So I was like, ooh, it's got the aliens from Toy Story and this alien driving the car. And then if I feel the bottom bit there, where's the bottom switch? It lights up as well. Ooh. I think, I haven't done it yet, I think the little man may even come out of there. The door opens, the man may come out. But I wanted the, ooh, it's the claw. Right, when we was in Vigo, we went to a shop, we pretty much bought probably all these magnets, I think, because they did have some cool magnets. So we won't show them all because there's a lot, and now some of these are gifts for people we know, family and friends. But there are 2 of them that we're probably going to keep. I like that one because it's got the Jules Verne sculpture on it, and Pauline quite likes that one because it's got a thermometer on it. It's got a thermometer, yeah, thermometer. So there's 2 little magnets. And that's it, that's the haul in a nutshell. So thanks for watching.